Okay, today I'm BK Gardenz. I'm not in Brooklyn. I'm in beautiful Wall, New Jersey, and I am at Route 34 Landscape Supply Company to get high quality, pure New Jersey horse poo. That's right. These guys at Route 34 Landscape Supply Company, I'm working with Bella Rosa Farm and stables for many years, horse stables, to turn horse poo into wonderful, rich compost. You can see this stuff is like super quality. And what I'm going to be doing is packing as much as I can fit into the Honda CRV over there with this compost, which I'll be putting on my beds for winter. And this will really be the source of re-enriching my garden beds for spring. You know, I already have a lot of compost at the house, but this is just to try to up the game a little bit. And you know, it really, you know, I grow a lot in the beds over the last 2 years. What I want to do is re-enrich them because it's the third year we've been growing. So that's what's on tap today. I gotta get digging. Success! I have the horse manure compost that I purchased this morning in New Jersey, down in Wall, thanks to the guys at the Route 34 Landscape Supply Yard for their great service. Filled the CRV. It cost me about $10 with this stuff for about 4 really big crates of the compost, and then a large bucket of it too. But again, like right now, quick little bit of information about horse manure compost. First of all, this has been aged. So when this, you know, was starting to process, horse manure, horse poo, let's be straight, is really hot. It's actually very high concentrate in nitrogen, which is good, but it takes you have to age it. So the suggested aging is at least, I've heard sometimes at the fastest is 4 months. So basically, I've heard the real recommendation is 12 months to be completely safe. So you don't put it in the garden when it's still hot and steaming and can damage and kill your plants. So what I'm going to do is, this has already been aged, but when I was digging it out this morning, it was like 30 degrees. It was definitely steaming as I was digging it out over in Wall, New Jersey. And now what I'm going to do is I'll throw this in. This is end of November. And the 3 to 4 inches I'll put in here will have another 5 months to continue to break down. So by next spring, this will be completely fully composted and broken down and ready for growing. All right, so the compost, the horse manure compost is down. Very excited about it. And you know what I did was I'll let this cool off for the next 4 or 5 months. I tested the temperature of it. It's still warm. Somebody's sneaking up behind me.
Hi guys. How are you doing?
Okay, this episode's over. Hit me up with questions and links below.
Links below.
Keep gardening.
Keep gardening.